Okay, we just arrived in our hotel and I'm slightly overwhelmed kasi villa pala siya because this is the room and this is the view. Ganda! Actually, ngayon lang murky yung light. This furniture is so cute. Sabi nung ate, sa reception, sabi nila, ako na daw yung last na nag-check-in. Ito kaya yung check-in. Anyway, I got caught up in the old city. But, we're here now and tama ako ng inakalat. At kung tinatamad ako lumabas from our Airbnb last time, ano pa kaya dito? And it's a little bit farther away. So, I guess you know what time is it? It's room tour time. I realize, mas okay pala kung may kasama ka kasi may cameraman. But this is what you get when you enter the one bedroom. Of course, may living room tayo. I can't believe this is, I think I booked it for a little under 3,000 pesos. There's the entertainment area. Then they do have all of the stuff here. Mini fridge and coffee and tea area. Meron bang cabinet? Oh yes, there's another cabinet here. So, that is the living space. Let's go to the bedroom. Ang bedroom, it's huge. And ito yung pinaka-feature nila. You have the view of the river. And then I did request for a king-size bed. Kasi, wala lang. Gusto ko lang. Plus, yun na yun. I think that's ano. And then, may mga saksakan dito. And the lights are also here. Controls. You do have another entertainment center inside of the room. So, di ko alam. Paano ba? Nod ako ng TV doon, tapos nod rin ako ng TV dito. And then workspace. And then let's go to banyo. They also have complete amenities. They have a robe. They have umbrellas. They have a hairdryer, flashlight, safe, and chinelas. Dalawa ata yung pair ng chinelas. Oo nga, no? Dalawa yung pair ng chinelas. Isang inside, isang outside. Yes. Okay, I think. This is the bathroom. I am quite surprised na medyo weird yung spacing ng banyo. Kasi lahat ng stuff nandun lang sa side na yun. Why? And then, dito sa kabilang side is wala lang, random corner lang siya. Baka walang abang for water. And then there's I don't know what this is. There's a space in between the wall and the shower. But anyway, I don't understand yung layout ng banyo nila. Parang siniksik nila dito. Pero I think, supposedly, may cabinet pa dito. Pero baka doon na lang nila nilagay. And may libreng alien for your towel. So, as always, they have soap, they have shampoo, they do have lotion and the other amenities that come with the hotel, and a huge mirror plus the sink. Confused lang ako sa layout ng banyo. Ganito yung banyo. Pero wala, that's just me nitpicking. Pero okay, hindi naman ako lagi sa banyo. So I'm super happy with this find. Actually, after ko na-book, i-recommend din siya ng friend ko sa akin. So thank you so much, Tita Carol. Buti na lang. Same tayong taste. And you do have good taste kasi look at this. It's a villa. It's a villa for 3,000 pesos. Medyo happy ako. That concludes the room tour of Zensala. I think mag-order ako ng food. Hindi ko lang alam. Pwede ba mag-grab food dito? Pero meron din naman silang menu. Pizza. 199 baht. Which is okay, right? Kasi that's 400 pesos. Hello. Good morning. It's our last full day in Chiang. And we're just gonna take it slow. Kasi mahaba pa tong trip na to. But I've definitely enjoyed Chiang so much. And I am so grateful to be here in this resort. Maganda talaga yung Zensala. But Zensala is outside of the city, maybe a few kilometers away. So this is when you need to not be in the old city. But it's still pretty convenient. Pwede ka pa rin mag-order ng mga stuff. So speaking of orders, I did get breakfast from a restaurant that's open at 5 a.m. Kasi gutom na ako. And there's breakfast here at Zensala. Pero I did have dinner last night in their restaurant. It's okay. Parang I'm not one for hotel food anyway. Dito sa Thailand, mahilig pa rin sila sa plastic. And gusto ko how they wrap up yung mga pagkain nila. Naka-plastic siya, pero parang naka-balloon. I'm just gonna eat from the containers. Ano to? Bird. I think, siya, patis na may chili. Okay. So far, I think I'm on budget din naman. In terms of pocket money. Kasi yung allocation ko for this whole trip is around 25k. So, we are happily on budget even if hindi tayo masyadong natitipid. Because, in general, ang malaki lang naman sa spending ko is shopping. I think I spent around maybe 2,000 below on mga stuff that like for me and to bring home. But it's generally okay naman and are on budget. The Grab is also affordable. Let's see na lang sa Bangkok.